This is the contour floor plan, and enjoy. Hi, I'm Sandy Williams with EXP, and we're continuing our tour of Webb at Lakewood Ranch, and these are all the redesigned homes, brand new model homes here in Webb at Lakewood Ranch. I'm excited because, well, two reasons. First is I'm original Webber. I have bought, and my husband and I live in Webb here in Lakewood Ranch. We were one of the first. So when we had the opportunity to move, we love it here. And when Pulte told me they were rolling out new model homes, well, I just couldn't wait to show you. I represent a lot of buyers here in new construction, and if you want to know how much these homes cost, right down below, I published an entire database of everything you need to know about Webb at Lakewood Ranch, and you can see it on my website. We're in the contour model. This is a brand new floor plan, and the square footage can go between 1,400 to 1,500 square feet. This one does not have the option for a loft. However, you can adjust the square footage two ways. You can build out and add an extension in the living room, and also, I believe, in the master bedroom. I have represented a buyer already on this floor plan, and she's already moved in, and she absolutely loves her house. So if you're thinking about downsizing, the contour might be a very good option for you, coming in at roughly, if you do the options, roughly at about 1,500 square feet. So come on in, enjoy the contour, and I'm going to show you the kitchen too. Come on in. Little houses do not mean little kitchens, and every square footage of floor plan has been utilized in here, right down to the kitchen. Great entertaining space. You can see it has a generous size center island. And if you like to cook, nothing has been really sacrificed in the contour floor plan. Great indoor, and this is the first time that Pulte has allowed upgraded appliances in their smaller homes. You get the same options as somebody building a much larger home here in Webb. KitchenAid or Whirlpool appliances, quartz countertops. I mean, your options are, well, you have a lot. And the contour didn't even sacrifice any outdoor living space as well. So great model, and we're gonna show you the whole floor plan. If you wanna know price, like I said before, you'll be able to find it. I publish all the prices at the beginning. And any other questions, since I live in Webb here at Lakewood Ranch, you can always feel free to reach out and call me.